Welcome to the Vorsi Driver Pro tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to efficiently use the Vorsi Driver Pro app for seamless deliveries. Let's get started. To begin, open the Vorsi Driver Pro app on your Android device. Enter your domain, email, and password to sign in. The domain is the subdomain for your company server. After signing in, you'll land on the driver's dashboard. Here, you'll see the first stop for your delivery. Tap the Navigate to button, and it will open your default navigation app to guide you to the address. To access additional functions, tap the button in the top left corner to open the app drawer. Here, you have several options. Change route order. This allows you to modify the delivery route and select a different stop to head to. Update destination address. Correct any inaccuracies in the store address. Printer settings. Connect a Bluetooth printer to print receipts. Language settings. Switch between English and Spanish. Dark mode. Toggle between light and dark mode. You'll also find 3 buttons at the bottom of the app drawer. Reload route data. Refresh the route information with the latest data from the server. Log out. Sign out from your account. Call support. Dial the support phone number for assistance. On the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll find a printer icon. It will turn white when a printer is connected successfully. When you're within 1 kilometer of the destination, a green, "I have arrived" button will appear. Tap it to proceed to the delivery screen. The delivery screen displays the total number of each product to deliver and the number of crates delivered. You can make changes if necessary. If you're delivering fewer items than specified in the order, you must create a ticket stating the reason: broken, missing, or refused. If the delivery cannot be completed, press the Delivery Unsuccessful button. Choose the reason from the options provided: refused, no payment, store closed, or reshipped. For successful deliveries, press the purple Confirm Product Delivery button. This will take you to the next screen to handle crate returns. If the client owes shipping crates to the company, the app will display how many are to be collected. If you cannot collect all the crates, provide a reason: lost or still in use. Next, the app will prompt you to collect payment. It will show the minimum amount due at the time of delivery. Enter the payment amount and choose the payment type: cash or check. Now, check how the client wants to receive a receipt. You can print it, if a printer is connected, or email it, if the client's email address is on file. Press Continue to proceed to the delivery summary page. At this stage, the app may prompt you to take the client's signature on the phone's touchscreen and enter their name. If all the delivery information is correct, press and hold the purple buttons to submit. After 3 seconds, the order information will be sent to the server and processed. The app will then update, and you can choose to print again, if the printer is enabled, or press and hold the purple button to continue. You will then be taken back to the dashboard, where the next delivery address will be displayed. And that's it. You're now ready to use the Vorsi Driver Pro app for smooth and efficient deliveries. Happy driving and delivering.